Like, you go over. Okay, stay over here. Watch out. I'm moving inside the building. I'm getting shot at. I don't. Matthew, come back. Hit. Hey, where are y'all? Where? Right here. Ref, watch out. Where are they?
Over here.
Okay. Hey, where?
Got someone behind the crate right there.
Okay.
Might be inside.
I know there's some upstairs straight across.
Guy still right there? Wait, is that guy still back there by the wood?
I'm not sure. What the heck? Are you serious?
Come on.
Where?
He's behind the crate. Oh, goodness.
Okay, I got him.
Okay, you got him?
I got one.
Oh, he's in the window.
Straight ahead. See him in that building straight ahead.
Okay.
Hey, where's Matthew?
Watch
out. Hey, cover him. Matthew, we're covering you. Where are they? Watch out. Oh. Where are they?
Oh, I have no idea.
I think I know. Crap.
Okay.
Jackson, watch out.
Oh, dude, that was so freaking close.
He doesn't know I'm in here. Where? Where is he? Frick.
Okay.
Frick.
Oh,
I see him.
Where
are they? Where are they, dude? Oh. Jackson, let's push up.
No, dude, that way.
Yes.
No, we're not straight.
Hey, straight ahead.
Got him first, right here.
Where?
Behind the crate, behind the crate.
Watch out.
Ooh. Oh.
You hit? Jackson, I need help. Mathew. Come on. Hit. Hit. God.
I got one more left.
I got one more. Wait, no, I got it. I've died twice.
Where are they hiding there?
All over there.
I don't know.
Watch
There's
out.
a guy again. There's a guy on the second story way over there.
I know. Where'd Mathew and Jackson go?
They're out.
Great. Where are they?
They're on the side of the building.
Oh, sorry. Hit, hit, hit. Dad, they're straight ahead. I know. Hit!
That's his first game.
Yeah, I wasn't ready.
Yeah.